Good afternoon. Second day in LA downtown, and we're here at Wilshire Street. So praise the Lord talaga kasi yung Hotel Normandy happened to be near itong main street nila. So thank you to Chris for booking that. Dito kami sa Koreatown. So kumain kami ng Korean food doon. And this is the embassy of the Philippines. So ito pala yung embassy ng so nandito sa Wilshire Street, Embahada ng Pilipinas.
Oh, they're over here.
So and we have Coffee Bean here, so familiar. This is already owned by Jollibee, right? So Coffee Bean, it's an international brand, but that was bought by Jollibee. So a Philippine brand. So nakaka-proud, di ba? So ngayon, our next stop would be punta tayo ng financial district nila. So punta tayo doon sa subway and then take line D. So magandang area talaga. So yeah, may Starbucks din and a lot of other restaurants. So maganda talaga yung area. So I would highly recommend Hotel Normandy pagpunta kayong LA. Very nice area.
Metro Rapid, we don't know how to use that, right?
I don't know what this edifice is, but it's a church. Yeah, I see it. It must be a church. Metro Wilshire. So dito tayo ulit.
Nagagamit niya sa metro.
So gusto wala masyadong gumagamit ng subway dito, but let's see today. Baka nagang over lang ng vacation. So we are on the subway and we're going to we will visit their financial district. So their financial district is located sa 7th Street.
The next stop is Wilshire Vermont Station in the direction of travel. Doors open on the right. Connect here with the Metro B line to North Hollywood downstairs.
Los Angeles Superior Court here. Then ito yung I think this is like BGC to them. Ito yung financial district nila. So we've got Wells Fargo, City National Bank. Yeah. Lakad lang tayo dito. Yan, punta tayo doon sa Walt Disney Concert Hall. Yeah, we can actually cross here. Yeah, we didn't know. Dari dapat no. Ang kabalo. Yet. This is the Walt Disney Concert Hall.
Konta na rabo yun.
So it's located in the First Street Grand intersection. So ito yung buong concert hall. Napakaganda ng architecture niya. At Grand Avenue. So yun yung kanina. That's the Walt Disney Concert Hall. And now we're at the Broad. Pila tayo. So the Broad, I think this is like what do you call that? An art museum. So nag-book na tayo, and let's see if we can get a spot here. So may mga ano din sila, food store, food trucks. Let's see. Pila tayo, and onti lang naman yung pila. Then in a while we're gonna be admitted. Okay. Hello. So we're at the Broad. The Broad.
The Broad.
So it's an art museum, and let's see what we're gonna find there or here. Unique yung ano niya, structure, di ba? Nasa loob tayo ng tube or chance.
So mataas.
Like, dapat ikaw one.
Hindi ko, okay lang. Ano yung masasabi mo?
So just yung, if you're seeing us in full, then you know who's holding the camera, right? You know her name. What's her?
Na,
Okay, so I know.
they probably painted it.
Oh, awesome. Awesome. This is awesome. This installation. Pwede. Basta wala flash. And, this is nice. It's by Julie Marito, Ethiopia. Julie Marito also. Invisible Sun.
Parang wrong.
Hawk Elvis. Real art. Obnoxious liberals. So we're done with watching the arts. So may elevator sila, glass elevator, but we prefer stairs. Yeah, there are still artworks downstairs. Level 2 gallery, meron ba pala? It's part of California. We're inside the financial district. We already took pictures at the music hall, the Broad, and here I'm showing you parang ano siya, Fifth Avenue ng BGC. So may scooter sila dito. So this part of LA malinis, napakalinis niya, well maintained. So lakad lang kami dito sa financial district nila. But one thing that I've noticed, yung difference niya sa BGC is that we only find few people here. No?
Yeah, but there are free museums here.
Yeah, free museums. Yeah, very nice. If you happen to visit LA, you should go to the Broad. Sulit talaga. You find good art and you don't pay at all. So yun lang, no? Straight lang. We're, we're going to the crypto arena.
Slice.
Where?
Where?
Ah, okay.
May kita na pero
Kita eh. Ayoko na isa itong bigay. Naka-rest ka.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
then the worst is ginawa to buy it sa hotel.
Yeah.
Alam mo, kung hindi, morning, natatapos night lang.
Ano eh?
Hanapan ko sa ila walkway. Sa Toronto po. Sa Toronto. Gano'n sa do Bloor.
Bloor, Fifth Avenue, BGC, mga ganon. Makati, Ayala Ave.
Makata.
So, sa asa ka? UP, obligation.
Wala makumpa.
Pero sa bus sa Nevada, Philippines. Gaburakin pala ako. Yeah.
Oo. Luda mo na guro. Dito yung special ng Philippines. Kita mo daw yung dato. Indonesia. Gawin ano yung
Nice coffee shop, you want? Halo or donuts? Okay.
Kaon ka ta.
Or we can go to the Grand Marketplace if you want. One moment, nice, like, you know, artwork on the wall, the building, AT&T. Faith, hope, and love.
Sabi gili. Loud. Ha? Big up vlog to teacher.
So we're at Grand Avenue. So the financial district, if you want to tour financial district, it's actually, you can start at the first street and then you just walk along Grand Avenue. So nandun na yung music hall, the Broad, and then yung mga buildings pa nila, Wells Fargo, AT&T, and etc. So tuloy-tuloy ka lang dito and then you will reach Crypto Arena. Okay pa ba kayo?
Yeah.
So good? So we started from the 5th Street, now we are at no, 1st Street, now we are at 5th Street. Still along Grand Avenue. So dito we find Hilton Hotel, AUN, Ernst & Young, City National Bank, KPMG. Yeah. Yeah. And there's a metro there going home. Wilshire ba if you actually walk straight Wilshire. Ano siya mo cross siya Hollywood Avenue. Tapos sa Financial District pa.
Ato lang yan, Normandy lang.
Oo.
Pero okay po ito Normandy.
Yeah, it's near Wilshire, near the embassy. Sorry. Biltmore, Los Angeles. Nice diri nga area, no? Bias lang ta sa atong ang first mong gusto nakita dayon like.
Pero ang sikat ang Hollywood.
Oo. Yeah.
Or hindi ba babalik dito?
Well, go back for dinner or something like. What do you think?
I'm not sure right now, but you know, I'm gonna go there too.
You am boy? Ikaw hal, am girl. Oh.
Historic downtown. Historic downtown. So no Starbucks line.
Yeah, I wanna go Starbucks hal.
Historic downtown. Right there.
Yeah. This one.
That's
Yeah. This is downtown LA.
yeah.
Historic downtown. It's nice here. Clean.
Distributed sa mga artists. Stabilis na dito.
Oo. Nami man.
Are you hungry? Starbucks?
Starbucks na. Let's sit. So that you can plan the Oh, sali lang. Nami gani. And it's perfect.
Pero siguro, hindi mo Starbucks at ito ka ng mga ano ba, mga local
Wala
na
man
mga
tao,
cafes. Wala siya agad ito.
Di siya pre. Oh, di. Eh, posible no? Like Starbucks you don't have.
Yeah.
6th Street man ta. Di ba? Normandy 6th Street.
Mula dalawa siya. Oh, 6th Street. This is it.
Dito.
Sabi madulo na niya.
Jollibee. Nakaka-proud.
Sige, 5 wala na.
Nakaka-proud Jollibee. Oo. 15 minutes. Wala.
Oo. Stop na siya.
So we are now at 9th Street. So we're almost there. So we're going to Crypto Arena. That was like Staples Center before, but they renamed it. And here at 9th Street, we've got Starbucks here. So we're just gonna go sit down for a while, and then we go to the Staples Center. So yeah, we're sitting down, got our order, and like, so Mahal got her Java chip, so big. And Chris got his caramel macchiato, and just got my vanilla cold brew. Alright, so we're gonna be sitting here for a while, and then we go to the 11th Street and see in a bit the Crypto Arena, usually the Staples Center.